In this video we will see how to use ESP32 touch pins with MicroPython. In this example, if you touch pin 4, the status of the LED is reversed, LED off becomes on and LED on becomes off. The ESP32 provides up to 10 capacitive sensing GPIOs. These GPIOs are able to detect variations in anything that contains an electrical charge, such as human skin. These pins can be easily integrated into capacitive pads and replace mechanical buttons. Additionally, the touch pins can also be used as a wake-up source when the ESP32 is in deep sleep. So now let's see how to program touch sensor pins and read electrical changes on these pins. First, connect a jumper wire to GPIO 4. Then write the code to measure the value of the touch sensor and send this value to the shell panel. Import pin and touchpad from the machine module. Import sleep from the time module. Create a touchpad object associated with pin P4. Use the while loop. Read the touchpad level and display the values. Touchpad read returns a value relative to the capacitive variation. Small numbers are common when a pin is touched, larger numbers when no touch is present. However, the values are relative and can vary depending on the board and surrounding composition. Finally, use the sleep function to suspend execution of the current thread for 0.5 seconds. Now upload the code to your ESP32 board. First, press the Stop button at the top of the Thani window. Then, click on Save. This window asks you if you want to save the file on your computer or the microcontroller. Select MicroPython device. Name the file and click OK. To launch the script on your ESP32 board, all you have to do is press the green Run button. On the shell panel, you will see new values displayed every 0.5 seconds. Touch the wire connected to GPIO 4, and you will see the values decrease. In our case, when we don't touch the pin, the normal value is above 600. And when we touch the metal part of the wire, it drops to a value below 280. So we can set a threshold value, and when the reading drops below that value, an LED will light up. A good threshold value, in this case, is 300, for example. Now let's use the touchpad read function to control the outputs. In this example, simple touch control LED circuit is constructed. When you touch the GPIO 4 with your finger, the state of the LED connected to the GPIO 16 is reversed. Let's go back to the Thani editor to write the code. It is enough to bring some modifications on the first code. Create output pin on GPIO 16. Configure the threshold at which the pin is considered touched. I remind you that the threshold value chosen in this example is 300. Check if the touch value of the pin we set is below the threshold. If this is the case, invert the state of the LED. LED off comes on, and LED on becomes off. Save. Then run the script on your ESP32 board. Take a piece of aluminum foil, cut a small square and wrap it around the wire as shown in the video.